Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2014 Toyota Matrix in this great looking magnetic gray metallic color. This front wheel drive 4-door 5-passenger hatchback comes equipped with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine added to an automatic transmission. As an added bonus, this vehicle has only had one previous owner, has no accidents reported, and believe it or not, has only 4,600 kilometers on it. Like new does not even begin to describe this vehicle. Essentially, you're going back to 2014 and driving this vehicle off the lot for the very first time. This vehicle is in immaculate condition inside and out. Starting up front with some of the notable exterior features, of course, you've got the classic Matrix front end here, and just to give you an idea of the condition that this vehicle is in, take a look at the paint there. It is perfect. As you come around to the side of the vehicle, you've got the 16-inch steel rims that the vehicle currently rides on. You've got the nice Toyota hubcaps there as well. And those are wrapped in the Goodyear tires. Brand new tires, tons and tons of tread, as you can see. As we continue down the vehicle, of course, you've got that nice compact side profile. And in back here, you'll find a rear windshield wiper, which is a really handy feature to have. And of course, you've got the Matrix badging back here as well. This is your opportunity to own a brand new Toyota Matrix in 2021. This opportunity will not come again, so let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at all the interior features. Hopping inside this Matrix is nice and easy thanks to the remote keyless entry. Simply hit the unlock button on the key fob and you'll be inside. And as you can see, even the key is in pristine condition, hardly any nicks at all. That is crazy. If we go ahead and open up the door, you'll find the very stylish black fabric interior here with the nice blue accents in the center of the seat. And just below the driver's seat, you will find the manual seat adjustments. And if you take a look in the footwell there, you've got the nice Toyota branded all-weather mats, and those are nice and easy to clean regardless of how dirty or wet they get. So let's go ahead and hop inside, fire this vehicle up, and take a look at all the bells and whistles. The features inside this Matrix start over here on the driver's side door panel with the controls for the power windows and locks. And just below here, you've got a little bit of extra storage as well as an extra cup holder integrated into the door panel. Just to the right, you'll find the controls for the power mirrors, and below you'll find the button to toggle your traction control on and off. And you've also got a nice little storage tray there for some smaller items like coins or something of that nature. Under the steering column, you do have the manual adjustment for your tilt and telescoping steering wheel, so you can get it in the perfect position. And speaking of your steering wheel here, you've got a very nice 3-spoke steering wheel with some bolsters up top to give the wheel a nice ergonomic feel. And you got a little bit of a flat bottom here, giving it a nice sporty feel as well. Over on the left-hand side, you'll find your steering wheel mounted audio controls, which includes your volume rocker and track selector buttons, and you've also got the auto mode button just below. On the right-hand side, you've got your cruise control stalk, which is great for those highway drives. And if we go ahead and take a look up in the gauge cluster there, over on the right-hand side, you've got this little digital display, which gives you the exterior temperature, the gear that the vehicle is in, and the odometer. And as you can see, this vehicle, shockingly, only has 4,630 kilometers. That is a crazy low amount for a 2014 vehicle. Over in the center of the dash, you've got the hazard lights up top as well as the passenger airbag warning. Then of course you've got your radio in the center here, and in terms of your audio options, you do have your standard AM FM radio, and you've also got auxiliary and USB inputs, and you can also hook up your phone via Bluetooth. So you've got lots of options, and you can be sure that you can listen to your own audio regardless of the type of device that you have. Just below that, you'll find the climate controls for the vehicle, and this is a single zone climate control vehicle, but it does come with air conditioning for those hot summer days and heated mirrors for those cold winter days. Below that, you'll find a nice little digital clock as well as the adjustments for it. And then of course you got your shifter here, and just below that you'll find a 12-volt outlet to keep the devices charged up, as well as the USB and auxiliary input that I mentioned earlier. Of course, you've also got your centrally located parking brake here, as well as a couple of cup holders, and you get a nice centrally located armrest here with the nice center console, carpeted bottom inside. And over in the passenger side footwell, you got the same great all-weather mats. Just above here, you've got your glove box with lots of room inside, including the 2014 owner's manual. And just above here, you've got the nice little tray up top for some smaller items, helps to keep things organized. Over on the passenger side door panel, you'll find the same great design that we found on the driver's side, as well as of course the controls for the power locks and the passenger side window. And up top, you'll find a couple of interior lights. So that concludes the features up front. Let's go ahead and hop in back and take a look at some of the features in the rear of this vehicle. In the rear of this vehicle, you've got more of that same great fabric seating that extends all the way across the rear bench seat. And back here, you've also got the same great all-weather mats, as well as a surprising amount of legroom for your rear passengers. Back here, you've also got a nice little flip-out set of cup holders here for your rear passengers, and you can hide that away when you're not using them. These rear seats also do fold down on a 60/40 split if you have some additional cargo to store. You've got a little peg up top here. You can grab that and fold the seat down nice and easily, giving you tons and tons of interior cargo space. So we'll go ahead and take a look back there, but before we do, we'll take a quick glance at the rear door panel. You'll find the same great design that we found in the front, as well as, of course, a switch for the rear windows and a little bit of storage underneath there. If you go ahead and pop the hatch, you'll find the original carpet mats still in the plastic, never been taken out. That is crazy. You've also got the cargo net here to help keep things organized, and as you can see, you've got a nice Matrix branded cargo liner back here as well to keep the mat underneath in great condition, as you can see. And of course, all the way underneath here, you've also got the spare tire as well as the tools to change it in case you ever get a flat. That concludes this short video walk around. But as you can see, this Matrix is in pristine condition and it will not last long on our lot. The opportunity to own a Matrix with this kind of mileage will not come along again, so make sure you stop by Kelowna Toyota, located at 1200 Leathead Road, or visit us online at KelownaToyota.com for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.